I'll come from a gratitude point of view more than anything else. Firstly, I'd like to greet my manager online, Mr. Evert Sneyman. Good afternoon, sir. My HR team that is in the midst, and the John Thompson management that is in our midst. It's just a special greeting for them. Thank you for your support. Thank you for granting this opportunity to me. It is such a beautiful thing to know that your company can invest to you and for your knowledge. So yeah, I'm very much grateful for that. So thank you for that, and thank you for this opportunity. To my team members, it was very lovely to meet each and every one of you with different personalities and backgrounds. We've shared a lot here, our experiences in leadership and in a workspace. I take a lot from you guys. Daniela, thank you for being a great facilitator that had always held our hand and made us walk this path easily. With so much workload that we have at work and here, you had made it easy for us to look at it. So thank you so much for that. Yes, I have also learned a lot in this course. One thing that I think that I'm taking home with more than anything else is being able to not bottle things, but to be able to confront things in the room, the elephant in the room, at the point where you see the elephant walking in, and don't procrastinate. Deal with it now and get over it. In that way, you plan easily. So with that being said, thank you so very much.